Hello everyone. In this video, we will share astrological insights on how individuals born under the sign of Capricorn, also called Makara Rashi, can easily enhance their fortune based on their horoscope. By following the tips provided in this video, Capricorn individuals can excel in their careers, jobs, and businesses, making significant progress in life. The tips and advice given in this video aim to help Capricorn people gain exceptional planetary strength, lucky influences, and horoscopic advantages. For Capricorn individuals, Saturday and Wednesday are considered lucky days, and the numbers 6, 8, and 9 are deemed auspicious. Therefore, undertaking important tasks on these fortunate days and aligning with these lucky numbers can significantly increase the chances of success. The fortunate colors for Capricorn individuals include black and blue. Wearing clothes in these colors regularly is believed to attract good luck and positive energies into the lives of Capricorn individuals. To get favorable horoscope strength, worship and visit the temples of Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Shiva, and Sri Hanuman on Saturdays and offer coconuts, bananas, flowers, incense sticks, and camphor while praying for the blessings of the Shanishara planet. Breaking a coconut in the temple is believed to symbolize the breaking of the afflictions in your horoscope and bring blessings. So, it is a must to offer and break coconuts when visiting temples to ensure that the horoscope afflictions are removed and blessings are received. For improved horoscope strength and lucky influence, recite the Om Vishnave Namaha and Om Hanumate Namaha mantras every day or every Saturday for at least 3 minutes or as much time as you can spare. It is considered more auspicious to recite these mantras while visiting temples. By visiting Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Shiva, and Sri Hanuman temples on Saturdays, you can help overcome issues such as laziness, continuous sleepiness, chronic illnesses, struggle to find proper employment, low-profile occupation, and financial difficulties. Additionally, visiting Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Shiva, and Sri Hanuman temples on Saturdays can yield favorable outcomes, including a sense of mental peace and stability, excellent health, and overall happiness. You may also find that financial difficulties are lifted and that your family and relationships are more harmonious. Additionally, you can expect to face fewer obstacles and hardships and to experience a greater sense of positivity and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.